In this video we are going to open two PGM Porsches in blue and black color, and we will see if PGM cars are really the best of the best in the diecast world, and we will see if they are really worth it because they are really expensive. Thank you so much to Łukasz for sending me these two cars for the video, and now let's check out these two beautiful cars. So before we start with the cars, let's begin with these two pieces, because I thought that this is like some sort of keychain, but it is actually a tool designed to help you open the movable parts, because as you can see here you have like some sort of small knife which will help you like lift the element up, and the cool feature is that it is designed to look like a car you just purchased. So let's unbox one and use it for today's cars. And now let's check out this first blue Porsche. As you can see here we have the Porsche from the generation 964, and it is a limited edition, and here we have the number 368. Of course, as you can see, it's in a RAUH body kit, and it is covered in this beautiful blue color. So let's start with the opening part first, because this is like the main feature of this car. At the back, of course, our engine beautifully done, and our parts are moving really nicely. Next, we have two openable doors with a beautiful interior, and here on the front with our tool we can open our hood, which hides a spare tire and many more things. And as I said earlier, these elements are moving so smooth, but I would expect that for the price of these cars. As you can see, plastic taillights with a beautifully done interior of our headlights. Our blinkers are also plastic. As you can see, beautifully done splitter and many more aerodynamics elements. Moving to the left side, as you can see, we have a branded tires with a very beautifully done rims, some sort of manufacturer logos, as you can see, for example RAUH. Interesting part is that our mirrors actually are reflecting the reality. It's not like they are painted with some sort of gray paint, so that's a really nice feature. Of course, our interior is very beautifully done. As you can see, very beautiful casting, very beautifully done, great looking steering wheel. So yeah, as you can see, very beautifully done. And moving to the back, of course, we have our windshield, same as on the front, and the beautifully done taillights. Also, we can see our exhausts, but sadly I cannot unscrew this car, or I simply don't know how to do it. And also, it's not mine car, so I don't want to damage it, so I will keep it on the base of the acrylic case. But you can clearly see the level of the detail on these exhausts. Of course, the RAUH logo on the back and the license plate. On the top we can see even more black branding, and yeah, very beautiful car. And for that price, the quality is actually amazing. I really like this car, and it makes me wanna check out these cars even for that price. Now let's move to the other car, which is the 993 Porsche, also in a RAUH body kit, and same as before, 4 moving parts, which is of course our back, which includes very beautifully done engine, of course 2 opening doors with also beautifully done interior, opening hood, and with the help of our tool we can see the inside, which is not actually something amazing, but you know, it is a feature, so I'm glad to see that. So let's check out our car. Same as before, plastic taillights with a beautifully done interior, great looking splitter. Our blinkers are also plastic, and here we can see on our wheels that we actually can see our brakes with the calipers, and we could not really see them on the blue Porsche, so that's a great feature. Of course, branded tires, same as before, big RAUH-Welt logo, windshields. And moving to the inside of our car, we can also see beautifully done seats with even better steering wheel, and from the other side, as you can see, also very beautifully done interior. And moving to the back, of course, small windshield with some details on the window, very beautiful wing. An interesting thing is that you can see we have a China flag on the side of the wing with a number first, and the same on the other side. And of course we can see our exhaust, which is very big, which looks absolutely mental. Very big exhaust very beautifully done, same as before, very beautifully done taillight with a RAUH logo on the back. And here we have our engine, which is also very beautifully done. I really appreciate the level of detail, especially for this price in these cars. And last interesting thing is that the base of the acrylic case actually have some sort of like a material, where this one is just like a empty metal base plate. So that's a nice like premium feature. And I forgot to mention, you can see over here that this car is actually a Hobby China Expo 2025 special edition, so it's like a convention car, so that's cool to know. And yeah, other than that, very beautiful cars. Thank you so much to Łukasz once again for sending me this, because I was able to show you guys these beautiful cars. Check out the Skalper.eu, which is a sponsor of our channel, and with my promo code you can get 5% discount at the checkout. Thank you so much for watching, have a nice day and see ya!